My dear gardeners, before we reveal this powerful secret for healthy, strong, and fruitful tomatoes, I invite you right away subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell because the best tips from the world of gardening are waiting for you here. And now, imagine this, you go out into the garden one morning, and in front of you beautiful, juicy fruits, dark green leaves, strong plants full of life. No chemicals, no purchased fertilizers, just with the help of one natural secret. What I am revealing today may sound incredible, but once you try it, you will never go back to the old methods. This is a natural elixir that plants love. It strengthens them, protects them from diseases, and stimulates fruit growth like never before. And now, I ask you, have you ever used natural methods for plant nutrition? If so, leave in the comments. And if you haven't, be sure to stay until the end, because you will get a simple recipe that will change the way you grow tomatoes. Nature is a perfect system. It gives us everything we need. We just need to know how to use these gifts. Today, revealing a secret supplement that strengthens plants and makes them more resistant to diseases, repel pests and prevent rotting, encourages flowering and fruit development, helps tomatoes absorb nutrients from the soil. This simple trick is used by experienced gardeners, and now, it's time for you to find out what it's all about. We bring you the secret recipe for healthy and yieldful tomatoes. And now, we come to the part you've all been waiting for. Recipe: 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers or 2 filter bags, and 1 liter of boiling water. Pour boiling water over the flowers and leave for 15–20 minutes. Strain and let the tea cool to room temperature. Dilute it with another 4 liters of water. How to use: water your plants with this tea once a week, directly at the roots. You can also use it as a natural foliar spray. Simply pour it into a spray bottle and spray your plants in the morning or evening. The result? Healthier tomatoes, free of disease, and with more fruit than ever. If you liked this trick, press like and be sure to share it with your friends on social networks. Let them also learn this powerful trick for healthy and fruitful tomatoes. See you in the next video. Write in the comments if you will try this recipe.